everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of WhatsApp. We click on settings. In this page here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about WhatsApp. As you see, and we click. In this page here of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.